Okay, so this is just a final short video where I can show you I've mixed a darker green by adding just a little bit of black to my leaf green, and that helped me change the color of the leaf for my grapes, which I think adds some contrast. So you can do this. Remember, it's just a little bit of the dark color mixed with more of the light color. It's a lot easier to darken a color than it is to lighten it back up if you've added too much of the darker color. So that means if you're mixing blue and yellow, a titch of blue and a lot of yellow, or red and orange, a titch of red and a little bit of orange. So I'm just going in, doing my final coat, final touch-ups. Remember, you're also painting the back of your plate. And in a minute or two, I'll show you some completely finished plates. You can paint the foot of your plate with underglaze. It will not stick to the kiln shelf because remember, it does not have glass in it, so it does not melt. You will see an example of this shortly. Remember to work your way from the inside of the plate to the outside. Twist the brush to keep the bristles pointed. You can see me kind of giving it a little twist as I go. Final coat on my grapes. And then I'll go back in just a few tiny areas after I touch up and add my third coat to the rim of the plate. And I'll just do a little bit of black touch up. The bigger brushes on the open areas really speed up this process. And so you could be working on both plates at once and letting one plate dry while you paint on the other plate and kind of going back and forth. And that will help you be efficient with your timing. Get that little area, just to kind of touch it up where I went over it with the green. A couple more little spots. Okay, here are some finished examples. So I showed these live. You can see how I painted the bottom. And you can see how I actually splattered some of the colors to get this kind of Jackson Pollock effect on the back. I liked that. And you can see that these are shiny. So once these bisque fire, you will put a clear coat on, which I will teach you how to do, and you will get this shiny effect. And that's what makes these plates food safe. So you can see my lines are white in this example, and I painted my orange slice orange. My lines are black here, with the flower being purple and the leaves being green. And then again, white lines for this, for my little lemon slice. And that's it.